Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. So we'll be picking few cards for your general energies, guys, and few cards for your love energies, and we will be taking one card from the Angel Oracle deck, that is for your angel guidance, wisdom, oracle guidance at last, guys. So we'll open the cards as we proceed into the reading, Libras. This is the card for your the wisdom oracle card, guys. So we'll turn the cards now. The Star in reverse, Knight of Wands, Two of Wands in reverse. Libras, the energy with these cards is that, guys, you are seeing a forward movement. This may relate to your work situation or in this relationship. Things are heading towards a positive side results. So whatever projects or some collaborations or business deals, whatever you are doing right now, you are doing it with courage and confidence in yourself, and you are moving towards your success, those goals, and you are seeing the path to reach those goals. That is the energy here, and you feel really confident and passionate about the things you do, and that may be the reason that a success is within your reach, guys, and you are seeing great opportunities coming your way. That is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may have people who may be quite arrogant towards you. The reason may be because of your confidence and that conviction you have within yourself. That may be the reason that they simply cannot accept you as you are. They are just jealous, maybe. They have some kind of jealousy towards you because of that, guys, because of the way you handle things, the way you act in any particular situation with confidence and that conviction in your actions. So they feel really jealous of you. And maybe some people, your person or your friends, your family members who are close to you are simply enchanted, and they feel wonderful about you, wonderful about the way you are today, and that may be the energy here, guys. And maybe this person just wants to express their love, so they are making a surprise visit, guys. So that is also the energy here. Or it may be, if you are single and if you are open to relationship, there may be someone really interested in you. They would have watched you from far, and now they are coming towards you to visit you, guys. So that is also the energy here, Libra. So that is for your general reading, guys. So let us see what are the cards for your relationship. This is what you feel about this person, or what they feel about this relationship. These are the cards, guys: Mountain, Lady, and Cross. So with these cards, Libras, there may be certain challenges or obstacles you need to face in your situation. So you can overcome all that if you take a stock of your situation, if you assess your situation, what you need to do, and come to clarity, you will know those things that are causing those obstacles, and you will know which way you can approach to overcome all those guys. That is the energy here. And your person is a very determined person, and she has what to say, that courage and confidence to take up the or to face these challenges, maybe to be with you. Even they are ready to face everything to be with you guys. So that is the energy here, Libras. They are ready to face anything, guys, to be with you. All those challenges, all those obstacles, they just want to face it to be with you. So that is the energy here. And they are a person of courage and confidence. That is what I see here with these cards. And maybe in this relationship, or maybe this person is a very what to say, a person of belief and idols. They have some deep beliefs on something, and this relationship may be a karmic relationship, guys, a destined connection. That is the reason this person is there with you now, right now. So this may be a destined connection. You would have felt very familiar when you first met this person, because you have been with them in your past life. Some deep connection is there in your soul. So this is a destined connection, guys. That is what I see here with this card. So let us see what is the wisdom oracle card for your Libras. Chop wood. So the message, oracle message for your Libras is, maybe for some of y'all, you have a huge dreams in your life, and you are just dreaming and talking about your dreams, but you are not doing that actions that are necessary to make those manifest. So you have to remember that you need to take those small steps in the beginning towards whatever you need to achieve. So that is the energy here with this card, Libras. So it is the time for you to step into action and bring your goals to reality. So even the small things we do today will make a big change tomorrow, guys, in what we are realizing, what dreams we are achieving. And in order to do that, we need to be extremely humble, and we should have that awareness of what we need to do every day, our everyday task. So if we need to think about our goals, if we want to be silent, we can be, but at the same time we should not leave out the daily activities that we are doing. So even in this relationship, when we spend time with our person, we can make it perfect. We can show our love by holding hand, sharing a meal, reading a book together, just walking together. Maybe you don't have to even communicate anything, but through those gestures, through something simple, we can show what we have deeply within ourselves, that love for them and that understanding, whatever it is, guys. So you need to be grounded today. Instead of just dreaming, you have to start doing those actions, whatever it is, in a small way in the beginning. So that is the energy here, Libras, with this card, and that is the wisdom oracle message for you all, guys. Hope this reading resonated. If this did, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you think about this reading, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, Libras. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.